It means seeing goodness and beauty everywhere you turn.
Sharing a good book over Zoom. The Sophomore Student Council at Beaufort High School has organized a fun interactive online service project, reading books to elementary students across the district.
And when I stopped to look around,
We thought, it'd be cool to read to kids that in elementary school, because I remember back when we were younger, it'd be really cool to have guest readers come in and read books. And we realized, you can't really do that. And so we kind of spread it throughout the school and let the whole school kind of be included. And we brought in books, and we thought, everybody could read to these kids through Zoom and recordings, and I thought that'd be pretty cool.
Obviously, with COVID, it's harder to do any other projects. So with this, it makes it a lot easier for us to interact and socialize with kids down in elementary school because we're doing it online.
number 7.
About 50 Beaufort High School students have volunteered to read to kids. Some of the students are reading live to classes over Zoom, while others are having fun as they record videos of themselves, sharing some of their favorite childhood books.
I think I wanted to do All the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss, just because that was my favorite childhood book. I remember guest readers used to read that to me, especially I remember my grandparents would come in and be guest readers, and they'd come in and read that one.
Blackfish, bluefish, old fish, new fish.
The high school students are also trying to set a good example for the younger students.
Hi guys, my name is Alicia, and today I'll be reading And to Think That I Saw It on Mulberry Street by Dr. Seuss.
When I was younger, I looked up to older kids a lot, and however they acted, I wanted to act. And I think if older kids can be strong role models for younger kids, it can be pretty influential.
About 70 elementary school classes from across the district are participating in the online reading program. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
I hope you enjoyed the book, and I had a good time reading to y'all, and have an awesome day.